Okay, 2 videos in one day. I don't think I've ever done that before, but this is kind of related to the last video, but not really. It's different things. One's just perspective, whereas the other one's actually physically real. The other one being the plants one. So this, I thought was a great idea. I'm like, damn it, I can never, when we're out in the little boat, even though it's a small boat, you can never find your sunscreen. You can never find your bug spray. Fishing around, har har har, amongst all the crap, and it's like, well, where's the bug spray? So I put these, I don't know, whatever the hell they're called. I think they're actually called pipe holders. Is what these. Can I point properly? There, these things are. So I just riveted them in. Pretty simple. Rivet, boom, done. And I thought it was pretty neat, whenever you need them, there they are. They're not going to jump out. They're not going to fly away. So where I'm going with this is that, and that little one's a rod holder, by the way. It's smaller, just gets the end of your rod in there. So when I showed this to people, my city friends say, man, that's so hick. And then my hick friends look at it and say, man, that's so city. And in both cases, I'm like, yeah, but it's a good idea, right? And they're like, yeah, but that's so hick. Or, yeah, but that's just so city. So there's something about mosquitoes up here where if you're in the city and you experience mosquitoes, your job is to complain about them and seek spray and whatever that you can do to get rid of them, protect yourself. But if you're in country and you offer the hick people some spray, they'll all say no. No, it's okay. And you'll watch them getting bit by mosquito after mosquito, and they're like, no, it's okay. They might swat a few. So, again, I don't know if this is specifically related to the I don't know, bushiness, I guess was the term I used for the plants of city versus country. But yeah, I think it's a good idea. And I guess I'm half city, half country. I don't know. Bye.